Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shivarmakar. Welcome to my channel Pure Biology. And today's topic is different diseases that are seen generally due to the presence of increasing number of chromosomes or losing number of chromosomes. Okay, so here before going to this topic, I have to say that the chromosomal the topic, that is the variation in the chromosome number, how is that possible? We know that is possible due to the mutation. So I already have explained another topic that is related to the chromosomal mutation. You just check out that one. And another topic, what situations arise generally for due to this chromosomal mutation, actually the aneuploidy, polyploidy, these are the terms, and I already have explained these terms in my previous video. You just check out that one, and after that you learn. Obviously you will follow this video, because otherwise before going or checking the terms that are related to the aneuploidy, polyploidy, these are, so you cannot understand what is the situation. Okay, so here I discuss about you the different disease. Okay, the different disease and that are seen generally in human. You can see the different many abnormal child. Okay, you can see obviously in the streets many abnormal childs but they have many problems. Okay, they suffer in many problems, and these problems generally is genetic. Okay, and it cannot be, they cannot be recovered from this disease. Okay, so and they have to face their lifetime these abnormalities. Okay, so we have the queries why this abnormal child they actually born in our world. So these are the reasons. Actually genetic disease are very important, or genetic disorder that are generally incurable. Okay, you cannot cure this type of disease, and you have to follow this to the lifetime. Okay, so these are some diseases. You can see one is the trisomy. First you see the autosomal and the sex chromosomal. Okay, the variations of the number of chromosomes, so you can see not only the sex chromosomes or not in the autosome. These changes may occur in both type of chromosomes, and you know what are all the autosomal chromosomes and what are all the sex chromosomes. I just explain you briefly. Autosomal chromosomes that are very important for our different features. Okay, that are phenotypic features, and the sex chromosome that are responsible for the maintaining the sex organ. Okay, that means we can identify if any individual it is female or male due to this presence of sex chromosomes. Clear? And autosomes actually that carry the different phenotypic other features that present in the individuals. Clear? So the number of chromosomes may be increased or decreased in both type of situation. Okay, in case of autosomes or in case of sex chromosome. Generally in case of human beings, in female there are two X chromosomes present. This shows the female, and in case of male there is one X chromosome and Y chromosome. Y chromosome generally for the features of the male. That means you can say this is male because due to presence of this Y chromosomes. Okay, but in case of female only two X chromosomes are present. And in autosomes we know that 23 pair of autosomes present, or autosomal chromosomes present. Okay, so what type of disease we can see here? First one is the trisomy 13. Okay, and I again you want to say that you just check out the what is trisomy and what is tetrasomy. I explained in my previous video, otherwise you cannot understand these terms. Clear? So this is the trisomy. In case of trisomy 13 is here the highlighted 13 means the number. 13 is the number of chromosomes, and if you hear some noises from the outside, please ignore that. Okay, and adjust with me. And this is trisomy 13. That means the number 13th number is chromosome is mainly affected here. Okay, and here the number of chromosome you can see 47. Okay, 47. That means generally important. That means 23 pair of autosomes. So here the chromosome number is 47 and plus 13. Okay, 2n plus 13. So this is one kind of disease, and this known disease is called the Patau syndrome. Okay, this disease is known as the Patau syndrome. And what happened in the symptoms, what symptoms we see in this type of disease? One is the polydactyly. Generally, polydactyly means the number of digits, okay, number of digits, fingers or toes, that increases, okay. And second one is the small eyes. Third one is the cleft lip and palate, okay, cleft lip and palate. So what are the symptoms? Again I repeat, polydactyly, that means number of digits in fingers and toes anywhere, it will be increased. And second one is the small eyes, and third one is the cleft lip and palate. And other symptoms also you can see in the books that are genetics, any books that is related to the genetics, you can follow that one also. And the second one, that is for the trisomy 18, and here the 18th number chromosome is affected, okay. And the name of the disease, what this is called, the Edwards syndrome. This is Edwards syndrome, and the situation arises there 47 and plus 18, 47 plus 18 here. And I just forgot that 2 in 10,000 live birth is possible. That means within 10,000 individuals, there will be a chance for getting this type of disease, that is this Patau syndrome, 2 individuals, okay. And this Edwards syndrome, the symptoms are what? An elongated skull. Skull is elongated. Mental and developmental retardation. No growth mentally and developmentally. Okay. Number C, that is the low set malformed ears. Okay. Low set malformed ears. And this disease is seen about 2.5. Okay. 2.5% generally in 10,000 live birth. Okay. So these are the autosomal disease trisomy. And trisomy 21, this is another disease. This is Down syndrome. Okay, this disease is called the Down syndrome, and its situation is 47 plus 21. 21, that is 21st. This chromosome is affected. Okay, 21st chromosome is affected. These are all the disease is seen due to the trisomy. Okay, due to the trisomy. And what symptoms? The symptom is low IQ. IQ is very low. Second one is the epicanthal fold. What is called the epicanthal fold? Upper eyelid forms a layer. Okay, you can see a layer in the upper eyelid. And third one is the short and broad hands. Short and broad hands. Okay, and I also explained about the cause of this disease. This type of disease is seen due to the mutation of, obviously, chromosomal, not mutation here, this is called the translocation. Okay, chromosomal aberration. Okay, chromosomal aberration. This is called the Robertsonian aberration. This translocation is called the Robertsonian translocation. You just follow the translocation process. I also explained that also in my previous video about the chromosomal aberration or chromosomal mutation. Before taking or before following this one, obviously you learn about the translocation process. What is called the translocation process? And this proves the 3 copies of 21st chromosome. Okay, due to this translocation, 3 copies of 3 means that is the trisome. Okay, 3 means trisome. 3 copies of 21 chromosome is seen here, and here actually what is the Robertsonian translocation? Actually, when the 2 long arm of the 2 acrocentric chromosomes fuse at the centromere and 2 short arms lost. Chromosomes have the long arm and the short arm. In case of Robertsonian translocation, the short arm they totally lost, and the long arm of the chromosome, they fuse at the centromere. Okay, the region that where the centromere is present. Here the two long of the two acrocentric chromosomes, they fuse, but the two short arms totally lost here. So these are the autosomal disease, autosomal a defect that is seen in the autosomal chromosomes, and due to that this type of diseases generally arise. Now we will go the disease that is created due to the loss of sex chromosomes. One disease is the Turner syndrome and another disease is the Klinefelter syndrome. This Turner syndrome generally seen in the female, where you can see the only one X chromosome present and another X chromosome is absent. Okay, but in case of Klinefelter syndrome, here it is seen in the male because Y chromosome must be present there, but generally in case of male, XY both two chromosomes must have present, but here due to this disease, okay, sorry for the disturbance. Due to this disease, you can see two X chromosomes and Y chromosome. Number of X chromosome is extra. And what symptoms you can see here? In case of first Turner syndrome, you see the symptoms that is it is sterile. Females are generally sterile. Second one, the hearing impairment, that means some hearing problems may be there. And cardiovascular abnormality is also seen. And another important symptoms, that is the waving foot or waving skin in the neck region. In the neck region, there is another skin. This skin, another knot, that means the skin structure is just like waving. Okay, waving structured skin is seen in the neck region. Okay, so in case of what symptoms is seen in the Klinefelter syndrome, here the testes is small, very small. Obviously, here the fertility is not fertility is not seen. Obviously, okay. So male is not generally fertile here, or actually subfertility. One second, I see here. One second. Okay, so subfertile male is seen. They are subfertile, and the testes is very small, and the development of the breast is also seen, and the feminine pitched voice. These are the important symptoms, and other symptoms also there. You can follow any book that is related to the genetics. You can see the other symptoms also. I just write here main important symptoms that are actually seen in this type of patient. Clear? So these are the autosomal diseases and these are the sex chromosomal diseases, and I think you can properly understand about that. These are very easiest topic. Okay, so you just learn it and you can understand it. Okay, so today's topic related to the aneuploidy in the human beings, it's here now, and I think you can understand it properly. Then I want to say one thing, that you just if you all get the proper information or knowledge from this channel, obviously share with your friends, and because this is very helpful to them also, and you subscribe my channel. Okay, and obviously if you like my channel, so must be give one like for each and every video. Okay, thank you.